This is part 2 of the Discord bot beginner tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to bring your bot online. In the last video, we imported Discord and .env. Now we'll start running our program. So the first line of the Discord bot is client equals commands.bot and some command prefix. This represents the connection between your program and the Discord client. The command prefix is how users in Discord access your bot's commands. So for example, $help will let your bot know that a user is asking for your help command, if there is one. Next, you'll need your token. So if you go to the Discord developer portal, you'll see that there is a token here. Now, if I refresh this page, I'll say click to reveal token. The reason why this token is normally hidden is because it's unique and you don't want to share it with people. Because anyone who has your token has access to your bot and they can edit it. If you try uploading code to GitHub with your token in it, Discord will automatically detect that and reset your key. And the last line of your code should always be client.run and then your token. And that's everything you need to bring your bot online. So right now, you'll see that the bot is offline. And if I just run this code, it is now online. This client variable, you can actually name anything you want, but people normally use client. And it just is easier to let you know what it is. You'll usually also want a function that will let you know when your bot actually is running instead of this blank page, like this lack of feedback right here. This is an event. This is an asynchronous function that runs when the client has finished preparing. So you can just put this print statement here to let you know that the bot is running when the client has finished preparing. And before I run that, there's one more thing. So the reason why we put .env here is because maybe you do want to share your code and have other people edit it for you. One way of hiding your token is by using .env. And how this works is in the same folder that you've put your Python file, you can create a new text file. Doesn't matter what you name it right now. And then you can put your token here. Token equals. And then you put your token in there. And then you save it. Now you need to rename the entire file, including the extension .env, so it turns into a new file that is now an environment file. And you'll need to use .env. So we'll get rid of this line because we don't need it anymore. Load .env and token equals os dot get environment token. This token part here is whatever I name this. So I can name this Discord token and make this Discord token, and it will run. Now first, let me just cancel the bot I just ran and run it again. And now we get the feedback that the bot is online. And because it says that you know that with this token, even with a token outside of the Python file, that your bot still works. And that's really all there is to this video. I'll explain how functions work in the next video. And if you want to just read up on the Discord API, so that you understand better how it works, I will leave the link in the description below.